Hi, my name is Chef Kevin, and I'm here to help you put together this delicious meal.
She was born Rosa Dolores Alverio Marcano on December 11, 1941. Today, this farmer's daughter is known as Rita Moreno.
When people figure out that I made it, they just get so surprised and they become proud of me even if I barely know them.
When everybody else is at their most emotional, crazed moments, that's when you need to be at your most empirical, surgical.
Do you want more high net worth clients? Do you want happier high net worth clients? Of course you do.
Some of it is also casual wear.
South Dakota is the best jurisdiction for your trust.
You ready to make some pasta?
Oh yeah, primer.
Holy cow, Jason, you sound awfully young.
She is the first Latina to have won 4 major American Entertainment Awards.
But even in spite of all of those great qualities of South Dakota, the thing I like best about South Dakota is the people.
Well, that was my 8-year-old daughter, so she's a big fan.